Who in the right mind do this? You guys notice this is smaller. I had a guy called me to replace his brakes, and he brought it in, removed the tires, caliper, and found this. That the brake pad is smaller than what's supposed to be. I just wanted to do this video for information to people that don't know about the brakes. But that's not right, guys. Don't do this. You can kill yourself or kill someone else. Here on the left side is the new one. You can see that, the right part. This one right here is not the right part. Okay, if you guys see that those is smaller, too small, do not replace them. Get the right part. Okay, I have the right brake pads installed. You see the difference. Okay, so that's how it's supposed to be. Alright guys, so as you can see, I already have the new rotor, new brake pads, and new caliper. And this is how it's supposed to be. Do not put any other part that is smaller. And thank you.